Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make barbecue sauce for chicken nuggets. Start with a simple base of ketchup, about 1 cup, for that classic barbecue flavor. Then, add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar to introduce a lovely sweetness that balances the tang. A couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar will provide the necessary acidity, brightening the entire sauce. This combination forms the backbone of our delicious, easy barbecue sauce. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile with our spice blend. Stir in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika for a rich, smoky note. Follow that with 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, which are crucial for that savory barbecue essence. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper adds a subtle kick, and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce will bring a wonderful depth and complexity to your sauce. Once all your ingredients are in the saucepan, whisk them together until everything is well combined and smooth. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. It's important not to boil it vigorously. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken to a perfect consistency for dipping. After simmering, take your delicious barbecue sauce off the heat and let it cool down completely. As it cools, you'll notice it thickens even more, reaching that ideal dipping consistency. Once cooled, it's ready to be served with your favorite chicken nuggets, or you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.